In this video, I'm going to do a range test on this Ridstar Q20 e-bike. It has a 48 volt 20 amp hour battery, mated to a 1000 watt hub motor that peaks at 1200 watts. I got about 15 miles on the odometer. We'll see how far this bike goes and I'll validate it with my GPS app. So let's get on this ride. About an hour and 15 minutes later, I'm gonna call it here. I got about 26.1 miles of range or 42 kilometers on this bike in the highest setting and throttle only. I did no pedaling. Now I could go over 30 miles of range if I were to pedal or drop down to pedal assist mode 4. That is a 1000 watt hub motor that peaks at 1200 watts. I'm pretty happy with those results. Now this test was on a relatively warm day. It was about 90 degrees on flat ground here in South Florida. So I hope that you liked this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching.